Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Aid. In this guide video, I will show you how to log in Lennar Mortgage account. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice. Click on the search bar and type in this link loansphereservicingdigital.bkiconnect.com/Lennar Mortgage. So like this, you'll be able to come to the official website of Lennar Mortgage. But if you do not want to enter that link, what you can do is simply go to new tab. Click on the search bar and type in login Lennar Mortgage account. Press enter. Now you'll be able to see the results over here. Simply click on the link provided by the bkiconnect.com. After that, you'll be led to this kind of interface. Now from here, you'll be able to log into your account. All you have to do is enter your username and password over here. So click on the field of username and enter the username over here. Make sure to enter the correct username. If you have forgotten your username, you can click on this option, forget username, and you'll be able to recover it. Likewise, enter your password. So simply enter your password over here. Make sure to enter the correct password. If you have forgotten your password, click on this option, forget password, and you'll be able to recover it. If you want this browser to remember your username, simply check on this box, remember my username. Now after you do that, what you have to do is click on the login option that you can see on the screen, and you'll be logged into your account. So that is how you log in Lennar Mortgage account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.